Hi friends, welcome to our channel City Learner. Today we are going to discuss about the types of numbers. Numbers are mainly divided into two. First one is imaginary numbers, others one is real numbers. Real numbers are denoted by R. These real numbers again divided into two. First one is rational numbers, which is denoted by capital Q. Other one is irrational numbers, which are denoted by P. Irrational numbers are numbers which numbers are cannot be written as P by Q form, and rational numbers any numbers which numbers are written in the form of P by Q. Irrational numbers examples are root 2, root 3, root 17, etc. Now after rational numbers. Rational numbers again divided into two. First one is integers, which is denoted by capital Z. Other one is mixed numbers or fraction number or decimal number. For example, 2 into 1 by 3, 2.5, 6 by 5, etc. These integers are again divided into two. One is whole number, which is denoted by capital W. Other one is negative numbers, negative integers. Negative integers means negative numbers, that is -2, -3, -4, etc. These whole numbers are again divided into two. One is natural number, which is denoted by capital N, and 0. This these natural numbers are again divided into two. Even number and odd number. Even numbers are the numbers which numbers are divisible by 2, and odd numbers are the numbers which numbers is not divisible by 2. So this even number is again divided into two, prime number and composite number. Similarly, odd numbers is again divided into two, prime number and composite numbers. Prime number are the number which have only two factors, one and that number itself. Another was the composite numbers whose factors is more than 2. Have factors more than 2. So the even prime number is 2. Only one number is there, even prime number, that is 2. Now odd prime number 1, 3, 7, etc. These are the odd prime number, and composite numbers. Odd composite numbers are odd numbers and composite numbers 15, 21, 35, 9, etc. And even composite numbers are 6, 10, 12, 20, etc. Thank you.